guys, welcome back to Commerce with Mac after a long time. The reason today I'm with this video for you all to know how to understand your grading boundaries when it comes to Edexcel IGCSE exams. Most of the students have a confusion, have I passed the exam or not? Am I in the safe side or not? To clarify this, only I'm doing this video. I did a thorough research before doing this video because most of the students who got the gradings of 3, 2, 1, they had this question: did I pass the exams? So let me explain you how this particular thing works. When it comes to gradings of Edexcel IGCSE, they had a old grading system where they said that if you are scoring from D, C, B, A and A star, you have a different way of making the student has marginally passed the exams. But now recent structure has completely changed, where you are getting a grading from 9 to 1, and that's what we say as IGCSE 9-1. So what does that mean? Which means a student can get a grading from 1 to 9, which can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But based on the gradings, you can decide is the student has exactly did a good job or not. But from out of this entire thing, what I'm trying to explain you is like, which is the exact point to consider it as a standard pass. So when we come to this particular point, you all need to understand that. But before that, subscribe Commerce with Mac so we can do a lot of videos in future regarding Edexcel and Cambridge exams. Coming to the point, the moment when you are finding out which point you have passed the exams, you all need to understand one particular thing. The grading scale 4 is the exact point where the board considers, or the high institutions considers, as a considered pass, which means if you get a grade less than 4 as 3, or maybe 2 and 1, 2 and 1 is completely considered as a low failure. So I would say there's no failure we can consider, but I would say that it's preferably not a good results. You should retake your exams to show that you guys are on a standard point. So if you have taken 3, still marginally somewhat a better pass, but 4 is considered a standard pass. But according to the new grading scale, there's no failures. That's what I'm trying to explain. So you can see here the particular picture how the grading scale they have changed. So let me explain you this grading scale step by step. So you can see that U means you have completely failed your exams, and if you get if you get G or F, you will be receiving a 1 results, or maybe if you got F or E, according to the old grading scale, you will get 2 as the number, and if you got E or D, you will get a number of 3. And if you are ending up C, I mean the standard pass, you need to get around 4 or 5, so which means then you will be able to get C. If you end up with 5 or 6, most of the time you will be considered as B. Now how do you consider? Now for example, some students ask this question: so if I do the exams and I got 5, can I consider it as a B? It depends. If you got 6, consider it as a B. 5 or 4, consider it as a C. That's what I would say. 7 or 8, you will consider it as a A, and if it is 9, take it as a A star. So but there is a confusion always, like do I need to consider 5 as B or not? I would say marginally, if it is very near to B, consider it as a B, but a 6 is the exact thing which we can consider it as a B. So I think I have completely explained how this grading scale works, and if you feel this video is very useful for you, please subscribe Commerce with Mac. And thank you guys, we have monetized our channel and it's official. YouTube is paying for Commerce with Mac, and I want to announce this in this video. So in upcoming videos, I'll be uploading a lot of Cambridge and Edexcel videos to help you out in your exam scoring points. Thank you and have a nice day.